just traveled all the way out to Pontiac to get a light fixture for all the way out because they didn't have it anywhere else, and because this is the one I wanted for the design. You gotta do what you gotta do. It's the designer life for me. Alright, I'm a little upset. So of course I ordered this dining room light and it came in today, and look how it came in. So look at this, pieces, parts. First of all, I gotta assemble it. It didn't even come in assembled. It came in half assembled. Not only was it half assembled, the parts was just in here loose. Like, what the cuss? Who does that? This is highly unacceptable. Yeah, they put these pieces parts in a bag, but they just left that loose. Like, who does that? Not only is it, look at this, it's bent. This is what the cuss? This is not okay. Not even a little bit, especially the amount of money I paid for this. Hecky no. They will be having a review from me. So I have two golds here that I'm trying to match with this. Now they both look super similar, but one is like vintage gold and one is pure gold. And I'm trying to match up the hinges that are on the cabinet to this. They're soaking right now, but after I clean them and soak them, I need to spray paint them to match. And I'm trying to see which one is closer. Now, even though I could hold them up to this, if I spray them, it's still a totally different color can come out. So let's see what they look like. So I grabbed the food container because it's the only thing that is on the job site that is a white color or light color that I can use to spray so I can see the colors clear enough. So let's try pure gold first. Take them up. And now let's try vintage. That colors look so similar. Oh my God. Let's try a little bit more pure gold. One is kind of got a greenish look to it. Let me see. All right, so it's bubbling, but let's see. I think this one is matches more, but then that matches over there. Maybe if I don't spray it so aggressive, the bottom will go. Actually, what I'm seeing here is that it don't matter because they both kind of match. They both kind of match. Because if I don't spray so aggressively, I get this pretty color right here. But this aggressively is this one. So, I'll use whichever. They both go. So I'm about to put together a quick little project because this space right here will be void. So I'm going to create something to go like right here because it will not be symmetrical with the rest of the countertops or anything like that. So there'll be a giant void there. So I'm going to come up with something really quick. Let's go. So put this here, and when he comes, he puts that up there, and then I'll save it here, put liquid nail back there to make it secure, paint it out, and then she'll have a cookbook cubby. Yep, I'm with it. Instead of just going and buy a new, I'm gonna spray these two, but I'm trying to spread them out so like when I do spray them, they won't stick together. So putting them out away from each other so they won't be on top of each other. Yes, it's tedious, but the end result will be great. That's all I'm worried about. Stuff be tedious, but the end results are always worth it. Give those a couple minutes to dry, and then on to these. Those look a little too yellowish and not enough brown. I think I like those better, so I think I'm gonna wait till this dry and use the pure gold on this instead of the vintage gold, because I use vintage on that. No, use pure on that, vintage on this. So I bought these for a shelf we're about to build, and of course they're not the right color, so I gotta make it the right color. First of all, take the top off, slow mo.
Do we have other rollers? See if we got any other rollers. Not the purple stuff. Only one. So we take one off here.
That stupid hair all in my way. I'm gonna be pissed off if this not the right gold. I'm so mad. The upper cabinet color I chose was this subtle cream color. I don't remember the name, but it went perfectly with the lower cabinet color I chose, which was the Admiral Blue. Now I just have to choose which color to stain all the wood elements to tie the complete vision together. I'm gonna make sure I like that. Yes. Yes, I do. I do. I really, really do. That's literally what I... Yes. Okay, great. Yes, thank you. I will do it. I didn't.
Wow.
The wall is crooked. Can y'all tell? I was wider up here than it is down.
Wait a minute. You got me a cricket wall? And you still put it up?
It ain't my fault they wall crooked. That's how it was built. This boy Bose. What you mean? So?
Where's it come from?
The light. So don't lose that.
Well, this is not a good place to be putting stuff.
First of all, everybody wasn't doing nothing. So I put it there because don't want nobody.
It doesn't matter because I almost threw it away. You're like, look.
I need
stuff from the lights laying around.
You don't know what I'm leaving.
Like this?
You didn't even know what that was.
Doesn't matter.
Oh, that goes there. Did not know that.
All right, let's put that.
We ended up having to work in the semi-dark while Jose changed the lights in the kitchen. We were also on a time crunch because our clients needed to move in the very next day. We had to do our best to get it done on time. I don't think we left that day until almost 2 a.m. It was a literal all hands on deck situation, and even the baby came to help out. She even learned how to paint for the first time. I think she did a great job. The next day we headed out super early to do some decor shopping, and I ended up stopping at one of my favorite upscale resale shops and got some really great items. This is truly one of my favorite designs. From the blue and cream cabinets to the gold and wood accents, including the fun geometric backsplash and wallpaper, this transformation screams eclectic sophistication. This will truly go down as one of my favorite designs.